here in Manila International Airport, going back to the Philippines. It will be a long trip again. So stay here for almost I think 12 hours now. Oh, it's a long trip, my friends. Here in this is Naiya Terminal 1 in Manila, right here, Manila Terminal 1 National Airport, and we have here the ceiling, guys. So it's a long trip now. You can see we're going to Incheon, Korea. So we're gonna trip a long trip. Nice. Mindanao last time, no? So we went to Mindanao. So this is a long trip, my friends. Here in the Philippines. So we're going to Incheon, Korea, over, then Incheon, Korea to Atlanta, Georgia Airport, International Airport, and then Atlanta, Georgia to O'Hare, Chicago Airport, and then back home to Bolingbrook. Guys, so this is our place here. Right there. Bye. Guys, we're still here in Manila, Terminal 1. Lapit na, marami ng tao. Ito si Mrs. Okay. Ayan, she is tired. We are here, guys. Oy, wallet. Nako. Oh no. Okay, guys, there's immigration there. Guys, daming tao. Yan, we still have here. Dami ng tao, guys, sa entrance. Okay. Ayan. That's immigration. Dami ng tao, guys. Oh, we're still here. Back. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, we are first in the line, waiting for our Korean airline. Here, guys, we are here first of the line. We are making our line right here. Making our line. We're first of the line. Here we go. Hey guys, still here. There's still a lot of people coming here in Terminal 1. Right, guys, you can see that's for Philippine Airlines. Hey guys. Okay guys, now we are still here in Manila International Airport. You see we have a Japan Airlines there. We are going to our gate. Yes, we're going to our gate. Ito na kami. Go. So, let's see this long trip. Looking for our gate, guys. So nice here. This is the oldest airport in Manila. Okay. And we go. Are walking. Looking outside. We have some thing here. We got nice to be here for documentation. Let's see. going to our plane. Woohoo! Okay. Going to our plane, guys. So we're going down, heading down. Sorry, that's our elevator. Jeanette right there. Okay, going down, guys. Other side we go. It's nice. Going down. We're looking for our gate. We are at gate. Okay. We are gate 6. Yes, we are here, guys. Looking for work. Oh, we have a unit there. Yes, Korean Air. Okay, here we go. Tayo. Passport and boarding pass.
Mag-washroom muna.
Ha? Again? Yes.
Ay, baba ng face mask.
Okay, baba daw na po.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So every time we go out,
Bring your boarding pass.
Boarding pass.
Tago mo na yan, sir. Pwede na. Boarding pass na lang kailangan mamaya.
Ah, salamat. Thank you so much. Hello. Okay, we're here. Thank you. Sa aming yeah, also thank you so much. We arrived here, waiting for our plane. Bye bye. Hey guys, we're still here. There's still a lot of people, guys. All right, waiting for our Korean Air. There we go, right there. Yeah, we're leaving now. Philippines. Hello, subscribe guys, still here. So, it's a long trip. Okay, we're heading to Korea. Bye bye. Guys, pa-boarding na kami. Ito na ngayon. Kayaking going to Korea. Tapos, hindi na yung Korean Air. Saka dito yung mga tao. Yan. Ayo guys. Going to Korean Air. Ito. So easy guys. Yan. Nahuli ako. Nahuli ako guys. Tayo guys. Thank you.
Please show me the money line and boarding pass.
Hello, thank you. Thank you so much. Alright, ready, thank you. So much. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, thank you. We're here. Here we go. Ha? Asa? Of course. Okay guys, we are here and we're going plane. You see we have a Iba here, Iba Air right there, Iba Air. Yan, Ninoy. By Ninoy International Airport. We're heading. Okay. Alright, we're going heading to bye-bye! Our plane. Okay, this is the Iba Air, guys. Oh, this is a Korean. Okay. Here come. See. Please. Okay, guys. We are here. Coming. Getting inside with the tree. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. Okay. Guys, we're here. Oh. Okay. Where is it? 50. Where is it, guys? 53G. 53G. 36. Huh. Huh. 33. Just like I lost. 53. 53.
Oh, it's further down. All the way
Further down, right? All the way down. Okay. Alright. Welcome. Hello.
Excuse me, please, one take picture of
Oh, don't take. Okay. We just arrived here and Korean airport, Incheon. We're here now waiting for our service going to Atlanta and Japan. There we go, guys. So we can do it. There's a lot of passenger here. This is in Incheon, Korea. So guys, hello, and waiting for people here. Alright, so we got Korean Airlines, Delta. So does that mean we have? So we're going to Atlanta soon. Soon to Atlanta. Alright guys, nalamidari guys. And we're heading to US with the Delta Airlines. So we're going to US, guys. We're heading. Oh, Delta. Cool, Delta. Welcome back. United States. Guys, we just arrived here in Atlanta, and right here, first time in Atlanta. Now we are in the elevator, guys. So let's see. It's nice to be here in Georgia. Okay, guys. Heading. Okay. Okie dokie. Alright. Is it right there? I guess we are here. Atlanta. Atlanta, Georgia. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Alright, so let's make some fun. Coming here. Atlanta. Baggage claim ni? Bureau of Customs?
This is our port of entry.
Port of entry? Okay. Abot na dari. Okay, abot na sa Atlanta. Bye-bye. So guys, we're here in Atlanta Airport. We claim our baggage. Soon, US. Let's be back here. Atlanta, Atlanta. Guys, we are walking walking here in Atlanta. We're still in Atlanta. Middle of the night, 12. We're looking for our gate. And guys, this is a big one. See, it's a big airport, guys. I've been walking, looking. You see, it's like in the movie. Watch out, honey. Again, the movie. What happened, hon? Look up. Look up. You can see. I'm walking here, guys. There's nothing. Just with us. Just with us, guys. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Just the two of us, guys. Here. So wide. She didn't want to look back. You can see, guys. There's some people here. Alright. She's still moving. Moving on. The train is there. Oh my god. The train. Come on, train. No one's want to get inside the train. Atlanta. No one get inside to the train. Bye, train. There's a train there. Ah. No one get into the train. See how big is that, guys? Atlanta. Oza. We're going to Illinois soon. Okay. Really nice. That's it, guys. Bye bye. Atlanta. Oh my god. How nice this airport, guys. It's really big. Historic thing. That's the historic thing in Atlanta. Okay. Andrew Young. Civil rights era. The dream lives. Martin Luther the King. Ralph McGrail. Wow. There is some historic event, okay, in Atlanta. The history is here. History is here, guys, in Atlanta. The history, you see guys, history is here. Wow. See guys, the history is here in Atlanta. How you see how big this airport is, how wide, historic airport. See guys, this is the old Atlanta. Historic historic place. Okay, I think that's the whole Atlanta. Wow. Salina, Butler. Okay. Okay, guys. All the history here. Wow. Good, because this is my first time here, guys, in Atlanta Airport. So you can see all the old things, history. They put it here, everything. Good location for one tarpon shop.
When using the moving sidewalk, please face forward and hold on to the handrail. If you do not wish to walk, please stand to the right to allow others to stand. Watch your step when exiting the moving sidewalk. This is a no question area.
Trolley. Historic airport. Historic airport, guys. Historic airport. Guys, you see how high this escalator. It's high, guys. You see, it's really high. You can fall down, then hold. Wow, it's really high. High. I need to look up my foot or else I'm gonna drop down. Oh wow, it's amazing. You see, guys, it's really high. You see, nothing there. And going back.